All right, I'm the flat rate master, and well, there's just some skills you will never be able to master. So that's the thing about this video, is I want you to take away from it, go to your strengths. Don't focus on what you don't do well. Focus on the skills you have and can develop, because ultimately you're going to be happier. There's a skill that has been fascinating me as of late, and I know I will never be able to do it. Now for me, that is board level repairs. What I mean by like ECM, TCM, actual component replacement on the board level, capacitors, MOSFETs, etc. Not because I can't diagnose them properly, not because I can't figure out how they work or any of that kind of stuff. It's simply because I would never be able to do the soldering. It would be like a bull in a china shop. I don't have surgeon hands. I don't. I've never had precision control over my fingers. So to give you an example of the issues I have, you can see how I can easily do that with my pinky. This one, with my fingers extended, that's as far as it'll go. And I don't know why or when that happened, but I can't just curl it over without pulling other fingers in. Whereas in this hand, I can do it all day long. Makes playing guitar a little difficult, I can tell you that much. But it goes to my point. I'm just never going to be able to sit there and replace a itty bitty little, component on a board. Just not going to happen for me. I'll be shaking too much. I know it. I'm just so fascinated with it. Mike Salazar Diagnostics, pairing ECMs, etc. Or, Nortwestrepair repairing GPUs. I know it's just a skill I will never be able to master simply because I know I can't be that precise. It is what it is. But there's plenty of ways to work around it. Now, with that said, it's a very niche, skill in this industry. And most technicians will never even really be even needing to do that. They'll send it out to somebody to be repaired, and that's fine. But you do have to understand there are limitations to what anybody can do. Whether it's advanced level diagnostics, whether it's beating the clock. I mean, let's be honest. There's technicians out there that could diagnose anything in a reasonable amount of time, but you put them in with a bunch of wrenches and they're going to hope to make book time on whatever repair is. You know how frustrated I would be trying to do board level repairs where accidentally I just wipe 3 resistors off a board and have to figure out which resistor goes where and then try to solder them back on. So focus on your strengths. Don't be afraid to try new skills, but understand you may not be able to master all of them. And that's okay. Everybody has their strengths and weaknesses. So don't be afraid to try to learn something new, but understand you may fail at it and realize it's just not something you're going to be able to do. So hope this video was inspiring. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.